saw your word problem and trying to make a picture out of it. It says you got a telephone pole here that's 35 foot tall on an incline that's 19 degrees. Put a guide wire here 4 foot from the top. So the pole's 35 foot, and so the guide wires start 31 foot, and this will come down the incline. You want to know how long the wire has to be? It's 27 feet. Well, if this is 19 degrees here, then this angle here would be 90 minus 19, or 71, and then this angle here, which we need, would be 180 minus 71, which is 109 degrees. So we have an included angle between two sides, so I use the law of cosines. Set the unknown squared equal to the sum of each of these two sides squared minus twice the sides times the cosine of this included angle. And I'll let you finish this. Hope it helps.